Hello and welcome back to my shop. I've got a new product here today. I just want to show it off. I'm in the works. It's almost finished. Waiting on the cabinet to finish up and little tweaks here and there. But what I have is an extension for the RA3. So you can do longer items. As you can see here, a baseball bat. So if you wanted to engrave on the handle here, these heads don't tilt down, they tilt up. So putting it on there, you need to tilt it a certain way. In this case, you'd have to tilt it down. You can't. So what do? You build a ramp. Well, yeah, if you have angles, if you know your angle, that's fine. You can print a ramp out. But if you don't have a printer, what do? Well, this takes care of it for you, because what I do is I move it off the table and put it so that you can actually adjust the angle up and down using all the tools that are included with the laser to begin with. So what I have is T-slots. So there are two of these, and there's T-slots where these are fully adjustable back and forth. This moves left and right. Same with this, left and right, so you can pull this in wherever you want it. And there are two additional items that can be done here. There's a thinner one, which makes this plate flush with this plate, and you flip this motor around and you secure this. As you can see, it's loose. You just take it off of these and you put it on the plate here, and you can align it up just like normal, so you can do longer items. And ooh, look at that. Let me put this back here. There we go. And then you can also move this plate to be sitting at the same height as the bed itself, so it sits flat on this as well, and the T-slots and everything. And not only that, I've made this so that you don't have to remove it if you want to use a conveyor. I have little perches here for the conveyor feet. So when you put the conveyor in place, they rest on this, and it's perfectly level with fore and aft with this laser. And it works with both the UV, MOPA lasers, all the F2 Ultras. If you like it, that's great. So I'm just putting this out there so you can see what's coming up, and will be available soon to purchase. I am not selling the files in this one. This is one I'm just strictly going to print and sell. The way it comes is in pieces. These are separate panels. These are separate. They snap in place. There's little clips that go in here and it snaps in place. This is a separate piece. It snaps in place. Underneath is a cross member underneath this, and then a piece in the front, and they all snap into place. And then you rest the laser right in place, and it's not going anywhere. It's not going to move. It's fixed. Once you have it in place, this doesn't change. And that's the beauty of this whole system. It's so that you can do repetitive work. So say you got a ball club, your kids in a little league, and they want to do their bats. They have some kind of promotion going on, and they have bats like this, and you want to put their names here. There you go. All you have to do is just loosen the head up, pull out one bat, slide it in the next, and lock it in place. Well, it takes two hands really to lock it in place, but you get the idea. And it's repetitive. You can just keep doing it over and over again, not have to worry about these coming out of alignment. They'll always be in alignment. And as you can see, it also allows it to sit on a smaller cabinet. So if you have the conveyor and you have a smaller cabinet, you don't have to be moving the machine around to another workbench like this in order to use the conveyor. It's strong enough to support it. And the cable, it's just the right length. So you can pull it out like that, and it works. So leave a comment if you like it. Hit a like, subscribe, join the channel. More stuff coming. The cabinet. There's a case I'm making for this as well. The final version is coming soon. I had to move a few things around for better access, but it stores all the RA3 components, all the parts for the risers for this part, and the conveyor bracket that goes here, all the screws, all the pieces for the T-slots and everything. They all go in a cabinet with a lid. The lid's printing right now, and they'll all be available online from my shop at rcshortkitsandprints.com. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, and you have yourself a good day.